Hi, my name is Wanda Griffin, and I'm here to tell you about my experience with LeafFilter. I've been over at a friend's house, and I was talking about getting new gutters, and he asked me about what covers I was going to use for my gutters, and he had me look at the LeafFilter covers, and so I gave them a call. Right away, sales rep came out, sat with me, measured the house, gave me a price quote, made it worth my budget. Making an appointment was super easy. The guy came out. Not only was he on time, they clean up after themselves. I'm recommending this to all my clients. Again, and they also give you a warranty for the life of the house. Not as long as I'm there. When I sell my house, the warranty goes with it. And that's kind of amazing. You're not going to get that from anybody else. If I have any problems, they're going to come out and take care of it. I recommend this to anybody that wants good quality gutter covers.